Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Grabe, ang kapal ng eyeliner ko. Like, this is the first time na nagmakapal eyeliner ako and I am not loving it. But anyway, andyan na yan. I'm gonna move on. So, today's video is one of my favorite videos to film, which is yung Lipswatch nga. And nakita rin mo siguro sa title, we are going to swatch these babies right here. These are the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Meron akong separate wear test for this, and then meron din akong separate lip swatch para dun sa first batch of colors na lumabas. And I'm so freaking happy na dumating na sa Pilipinas yung mga nude and brown colors. Kasi available to sa States like for so long na. And alam mo, recently lang dumating dito sa Pilipinas. And yung first batch of colors, they were like really intense dark colors. So now, doon naman tayo sa softer colors. And masasabi ko guys, ito na siguro yung line of liquid lipstick na lahat ng colors na ilalabas nila, bibilhin ko. Kasi maaasahan mo talaga tong liquid lipstick na to, I swear. So this is not going to be a review. Kung gusto nyo ng review, go to my wear test. So without further ado, let's get into the swatches. O, diba? Hindi rin ako nakatiis. Tinanggal ko din yung eyeliner ko. Okay, let's talk about the first shade. Ito yung pinaka-lightest nila. This is number 55 Driver. And it... Obviously, it's so nude. Like, super nude. Pero meron siyang... Sa camera, para siyang like dead nude. Pero in person, guys, meron siyang peachy undertone. And you can definitely use this kapag kapakak yung makeup mo and you have like, you know, smoky dark eyes. And I think bagay ito sa mga mapuputi lang. Kasi if you're morena and you have really dark skin tone, medyo majirap siya best unless you're shooting for a, you know, editorial photo. Guys, binili ko lahat to sa Lazada. And dumating siya mga 3 days ago. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time to actually film a lip swatch. By the way guys, when you apply this liquid lipstick, huwag kayong magpapucker kasi it's really sticky. Huwag kayong magkaganon kasi it's really sticky. So, magkakaroon ng streaks, marks if you do that. Next shade that I have on is called, it's number 60 Poet. And it's another nude color, but this one is brighter. This one is brighter than Driver. Ito sila side by side. Ito parang merong peachy brown undertone. And this one has also peachy pink undertone, kaya mukha siyang bright. And I do believe bagay ito sa mga may cool tone skin. Alam mo yung mga cool tone pink, ito yun, cool tone nude. For me kung morena ka or deeper skin tone, again, you're gonna have a hard time rocking this. Pero if you're fair to light skin tone, I think this would look good on you. Lalo na kapag well, you can wear it like this, tapos kahit bonggang eyeliner lang. Or you can wear it with, you know, bonggang eye makeup if you wanna balance everything. Pero in person, sa camera mo siyang hindi bagay. Pero parang okay naman siya para sa akin in person. Pero, eto yung unang tingin sa akin. Sa labi agad mapapatingin. Kasi parang hina-highlight niya talaga yung labi ko eh. So again, this is Poet. Finally, I have a very safe nude for me. This one is number 65 SEDUCTRESS, and guys, one of the colors you must get in this collection. Kita nyo naman, it's nude pero buhay ka. It's definitely a warm nude that has a brown undertone. Brown, pinky-ish undertone. And eto talaga bagay ito sa maputi and bagay ito sa medium skin tone. Not necessarily super deep or dark skin tone. Pwede siguro, yeah. Pero definitely morena, keri-keri to. Go get this. Ito, you can wear this on its own or wear it with a bonggang pakakable eyes. This shade is called Amazonian, number 70 Amazonian. If you have really deep skin tone, this would look like, you know, nude-ish to you. But if you have medium fair, light skin tone, full pakak color to for you. And it's brown. And this is, it's like Para siyang medyo brick-y brown, pero definitely one of the colors that you want to get in this collection. Para siyang sisterette nitong si SEDUCTRESS. These two are like sisters. Ito panganay, ito mas bata. You can wear this for everyday. You can wear this on its own, or you want a brown smoky eye. I love this, I love this, I love this. Next shade that I have on is number 75 Fighter, and you guys, this is like the perfect burnt orange lip color. It's like a combination of orange brown, you know, bricky color, pero more on the brown family, if you know what I mean. And ito talaga, you can wear this. Ito, you can wear it every day. You can wear it on its own. You can wear this kahit wala kang foundation, pero maganda rin, syempre, kung meron kang foundation and, you know, kahit eyeliner lang, pwedeng-pwede na to. And another color na you must get in this collection. Parang etong family na to, they're like super beautiful colors. Well, nagda-doubt ako dito sa dalawang to. Pero etong tatlong to, yung last two colors and this one, definitely highly recommended you get this. If you have deeper skin tone, this would still look good on you. If you have lighter skin tone, well, full pack color siya sa labi mo. Highly recommended. Go get this. Oh my god, guys! All of these colors are matte colors, pero para siyang shiny shimmering kasi, alam mo yun, tuloy-tuloy ako sa pag-film, hindi pa siya nagsiset. But if I'm gonna wait like, you know, 5 more minutes, this is gonna turn into matte, and I think it's going to be super beautiful. Sa packaging mukha siyang red color, but it's not red, you guys. It's just really deep pink color. Yeah, it's not red. Para siya merong red undertone, pero pink talaga eh. It's like super deep pink. And bagay to sa lahat ng skin tones. Light, fair, medium, and to deep skin tones. Definitely bagay sa inyo to. And guess what? Another color that you must get in this collection. Kasi pwede siyang pang-office, guys. As in, mag full pack foundation ka lang. Actually, kahit wala kang foundation, kung alam mo yun, kung makinis ka naman ng bonggang-bongga, and then just do your eyebrows, kahit wala kang eyeliner or mascara, alam mo yun, kung anong preference mo. Pero with this color, you don't have to have like super fully made up na eye color or eye look. This is in the shade number 80 Ruler. So that is the end for the colors that you can wear every day. I consider these as normal colors. Ngayon naman, mapunta tayo sa... These are very interesting colors. Violet purple colors. And I like that they considered the different skin tones. Ito, bagay to sa deep skin tones. Ito sa fair skin tones. Pero syempre, yung mga fair skin tones, they can also wear these. And yung mga deep and medium skin tones, they can also wear this if, you know, if you're feeling bold or if you're shooting for a creative photo or something, editorial, I don't know. Pero sige, try na natin. Yeah. Oh my good lord. Okay, so this color is number 100 Philosopher. Okay, hindi siya bagay sa akin. I don't think it fits my skin tone. Pero if you're like super pale, sobrang puti mo, this would definitely work on you. Now, if you have morena to deep skin tones, that would look crazy. Magagamit mo lang siya kung, alam mo yun, magkakaroon ka ng creative photo shoot. Pero for everyday wear, for party wear, if you're bold enough, yeah, sige, go, push mo yan, te. It's definitely not for everyday. Pag nighttime siguro. And pag gumamit ka nito, I think you have talaga super plakadong mukha. Plakadong mukha, and you gotta have like bold eyes or bold eyeliner, and kailangan meron kang, dito, falsies. It's light purple that has a grayish undertone. I don't know. Teeth yellow for some reason. this one I definitely like. This is number 95 Visionary, and this one, thank God. This one is a deeper purple violet compared to the previous color in Philosopher, and I like it. Yeah, it is wearable. I would wear this sa office. I would wear this if I'm gonna go to the mall, to the grocery. I would definitely wear this if I'm gonna party at night. Kung lalabas ako kasama mga friends ko and all that. I like it. I really like it. Hindi siya, I mean, it's purple violet, pero hindi siya nakakatakot. Pero again, depende sa skin tone mo. If you have deeper skin tones, medyo light pa to sa'yo. But if you're medium to very light, pale skin tone, this would work on you. I like it. Dear Lord. You know what? I am surprisingly happy with this color. Kasi na-achieve nila ang gray lip color that is so pigmented at tatagal. Kasi this is gray. Definitely. Metal. Yeah. And this is so wearable for nighttime. If you're gonna go out, if you're gonna go party, would I wear this sa daytime? Sa personality ko, yeah. Sa tapang ko, yeah. Pero alam mo yun, I will make sure na yung foundation ko is plakado. And I have bonggang falsies. Kahit falsies lang. Kahit hindi na, wala ng eyeshadow and everything. Sige, eyeliner na rin. Pero ito talaga, ang nature niya is for nighttime. And then, merong mga metallic lipstick yung Maybelline. I have a swatch of that. Link up here and or down below. Patungan nyo ng, you know, metallic shades. Gray, blue, green, ganyan. And I think it would look good for nighttime, for night out, for partying. I think interesting na magkaroon ka ng ganito sa collection mo. So, yeah, I would recommend it. Kailangan pa ba natin ng explanation? This is number 85 Protector, and it's the deepest shade, and it's not akala ko purpley siya, pero hindi pala. It's actually brown. It's actually chocolate, like dark chocolate. Like 100% dark chocolate. Pero parang may feeling ko meron siyang kamukha dun sa first batch of colors. Yung first batch of colors kasi really deep lahat ng mga colors, and bagay siya dun. Pero yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. You can wear this in daytime if you want. Just don't have any others sa face mo. Ito yung isa sa mga colors na pwede mong isuot kahit wala kang, you know, pakak na foundation, kahit naka BB cream ka lang. Laban na. It's so sexy. The color looks so sexy. So that concludes our lip swatch. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And again, available tong mga to I got this sa Lazada. I'm not sure kung meron sa Beauty M&L. Pero syempre sa lahat ng mga Maybelline counters, I hope. Pero for hassle-free, doon na kayo sa Lazada bumili. Merong official store doon yung Maybelline. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And please be sure to come back sa mga susunod na araw. I will try to be back on track in making videos. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!